Ever wondered if a younger woman is actually trying to seduce you with subtle tactics that just seem to slip by unnoticed? You're not the only one. Today, we're uncovering the insider secrets to detect a younger woman's subtle seduction tactics. It's not always about overt gestures or direct advances. Sometimes, it's the understated actions, the slight touches, or the way she looks at you that speaks volumes. Oh, and don't miss out on our bonus tip at the end of the video. It's an essential piece of advice for properly interpreting these signals, improving both your insight and approach. 1. Conversation content. Often, a younger woman might mention how guys her age just don't cut it for her, highlighting their lack of maturity or experience. This isn't just small talk. What she's really doing is setting the stage to show that she values the wisdom and stability an older man brings to the table. She's interested in someone who's been around the block, someone who knows life beyond the latest social media trends. This kind of conversation is her way of saying, "Hey, I appreciate the deeper things in life, just like you do." It's not about putting down her peers as much as it's about aligning with you, showing that she sees and values the depth of your experiences. When she talks about seeking someone mature, someone who's seen a bit more of the world, she's indirectly pointing to you, highlighting the gap she feels with her age group and her attraction to your life's wisdom. So when you hear her expressing these thoughts, take note. It's a green light that she might be looking for someone exactly like you. But remember, the key is in the subtlety. It's not just what she says, but how she says it. Engaging with her on this level, sharing your own experiences, can create a meaningful connection. It's all about reading between the lines and appreciating the nuances in the conversation. 2. Integration into personal life. When she introduces you to her friends, it's not just a casual meetup. It's her showing her social circle and perhaps evaluating with them how well you fit into her life. This move speaks volumes. It's her way of saying she's serious enough about you to see how you blend with her inner circle. Now let's talk about her opening up about past relationships. This might seem like standard get-to-know-you material, but there's more to it. By sharing her relationship history, she's giving you insight into what she's looking for, what didn't work out, and by implication, how you might be different. It's a form of vulnerability and trust, showing she's comfortable with you. It's also a subtle check to see if you're understanding and sympathetic, traits she likely values. When she does these things, she's subtly integrating you into her life, engaging how well you fit. It's not just about being seen with you. It's about wanting you to be a part of her world. She's assessing the compatibility, not just on a personal level, but also in her broader social landscape. So, if you find yourself meeting her friends or listening to her past, take it as a positive sign. She's considering you not just for the moment, but potentially for a more significant role in her life. 3. Physical proximity and body language. When a younger woman maintains close physical space with an older man, it's a signal worth noting. This isn't just about standing near someone. It's about choosing to be in someone's personal space. It's a silent way of saying, "I'm comfortable with you." Now let's talk about open body language. This includes uncrossed arms, relaxed posture, and perhaps most telling, direct eye contact. These are universal signs of openness and interest. They're saying, "I'm open to you and what you have to say." This type of body language is a strong indicator of interest because it's about more than just being polite. It's about connection. When a younger woman combines close physical proximity with open body language around an older man, she's communicating comfort and attraction without saying a word. It's a form of communication that transcends age and words. So if you notice these signs, it's a good indication that she enjoys your company and may be interested in more than just a casual chat. Remember, while body language can reveal a lot, it's crucial to ensure that feelings are mutual and actions are consensual. Paying attention to these nonverbal cues can provide insight into her feelings and help guide your interactions. I hope you're finding the video helpful so far. If you are, could you show some support? A quick like, a comment, or even a subscribe really helps us out. Thank you. 4. Personal sharing. When a younger woman starts sharing personal details with you, it's not just idle chatter, it's a clear signal. She's letting you into her world, a sign she trusts you and values your opinion. This openness is her way of building a bridge between her life and yours. It's like she's handing you a VIP pass to her inner thoughts and experiences, something she doesn't just give out to anyone. This is her subtle way of saying, "I respect you, and I want to know what you think." This personal sharing often extends to seeking your opinions on matters important to her. It could be about her career, personal dilemmas, or even everyday choices. By asking what you think, she's not just making conversation, she's showing you matter to her. Your responses could influence her decisions, a clear indicator that she values your perspective and experience. It's a level of respect and admiration that goes beyond casual interaction. Notice how she reacts to your advice or comments. If she's genuinely interested, she'll engage deeply with what you're saying, ask follow-up questions, or express appreciation for your insights. This isn't just politeness, it's an indication of her interest in you beyond a surface level. So next time a younger woman opens up about her life or seeks your advice, pay attention. It could be her way of signaling that she sees you as more than just a friend or acquaintance. 5. Compliments and jealousy. When a younger woman frequently compliments an older man or shows signs of jealousy around other women, it's worth paying attention. These behaviors can be significant indicators of her interest. Frequent compliments might go beyond mere politeness. They could be her way of highlighting your positive attributes while subtly hinting at her attraction. She might compliment your sense of style, your humor, or even your perspectives on different matters. This isn't just about boosting your ego. It's about creating a connection and showing admiration. Jealousy, on the other hand, is a more complex signal. It's not always pleasant, but when a younger woman shows signs of discomfort or unease when you're interacting with other women, it could mean she's worried about losing your attention. This isn't about possessiveness, but rather an indirect way of showing she values your company and doesn't want to share it. However, it's crucial to approach this with sensitivity and understanding, recognizing that while jealousy can indicate interest, it should be addressed thoughtfully to ensure healthy boundaries and mutual respect. In both scenarios, these actions serve as nonverbal cues pointing to her interest. While compliments are her way of drawing closer, jealousy serves as a gauge of her investment in the relationship or connection. Acknowledging these signs, understanding them in context, and responding appropriately can foster a deeper connection and clarify the nature of your relationship. 6. Seeking more about your life. It's not just casual talk when a younger woman begins to ask detailed questions about an older man's life and experiences. It's a sign of deeper interest. This curiosity about your past, your achievements, and even your everyday life is her way of digging deeper into who you are as a person. She's not just making small talk. She's looking to connect on a more meaningful level. Asking about your past experiences, for example, shows she values the wisdom and lessons you've gathered over the years. She's essentially saying, "Your life is interesting to me." This can be especially flattering coming from someone from a different generation, as it acknowledges that your experiences are not only relevant, but also valuable to her. Additionally, when she inquires about your daily life or your feelings on various matters, it signifies that she's trying to understand your worldview and see where she might fit into it. This kind of in-depth questioning can build a foundation for a stronger, more informed connection. So if you find a younger woman keenly interested in learning more about you, take it as a positive sign. It means she sees you not just as a date, but potentially as a partner in life's journey. Engaging with her questions and sharing your experiences openly can help foster mutual respect and understanding, making for a deeper, more meaningful interaction. Bonus tip: understanding nonverbal cues. Our bonus tip dives into the world of nonverbal communication, focusing on cues like extended eye contact, smiling, head tilting, and other body language signals. Recognizing these signs can unlock a new understanding of interpersonal interactions, especially when assessing if a younger woman is flirting. Extended eye contact is more than just looking. It's an invitation into deeper communication, signaling interest and comfort. When someone holds your gaze, it's often a sign they're focused on you and what you're saying, creating a connection beyond words. Smiling, on the other hand, is universally acknowledged as a sign of friendliness and approachability. But when it comes to flirting, look for genuine smiles that reach the eyes, creating small wrinkles known as crow's feet. These smiles are signs of true happiness and interest. Head tilting is another subtle but telling gesture. It indicates curiosity and engagement, showing that the person is really listening and deeply involved in the conversation. This gesture, combined with other signals, can indicate a special interest. Understanding these nonverbal cues can significantly enhance communication and help you read between the lines. By paying attention to these subtle signs, you can gain insights into someone's feelings and intentions, making your interactions more meaningful and informed. Remember, while these signals can indicate interest, they should be considered within the context of the entire conversation and relationship. Now that you know how to detect her seduction tactics, what's next for you? Discover how she signals for you to make a move, or learn the things younger women think are hot. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.